What's the meaning of Anthony Powell? Anthony Powell. Anthony Powell. Anthony Powell. Anthony Powell. Anthony Powell.
Anthony Powell was a British novelist and known for his 12-volume novel sequence, A Dance to the Music of Time, which follows the lives of a wide range of characters from the 1920s to the 1970s and explores themes of love, art, and society. Powell is considered one of the most important writers of 20th-century literature, and his works have been praised for their wit, style, and philosophical depth. Overall, Anthony Powell is a significant figure in British literature whose novels continue to captivate readers with their rich characters, intricate plots, and keen observations of human behavior.